What'd you guys get? Penny? You gotta come over here. Check out your gifts. Check out your gifts. What is in there? What's in there? Stu, you gonna check them out? These were opened recently. They're still in the video though. They're still in the video. Someone here opened them herself. You're trying to pose for a video? Come on. What's in there? What's in? Get that. What's in there? Can't say it's. I had to help out. I had to help you guys out. We got a lot of packages to open, and none of you were helping. We're gonna have to move the tags, girl. What you think? You gonna find something, Leo? You gonna get something? Penny's ready. You ready for Cheez-Its? You ready for them Cheez-Its? There's more than one toy, girl. There's more than one toy. Oh, snap. We got chew bones. We got more chew bones. Be a little more enthused. Oh, you can take it? Okay. What about you, werewolf? When are you guys gonna take it? No, we're gonna hold out for some other stuff? Penny girl? Okay, maybe later. Maybe later. Stu will get it. Check it out, girl. It's your favorite balls in the whole world, but you've never had them all three at the same time. Let's throw it down there. Leah doesn't care. She's holding out for the food. That's all you want. Now that's appreciation there. One gift, she's one and done. Because she's a sweet girl. Just like you, now you're ready to see what's in here. Okay, what's in here? What's in there? What is it? Gotta get these out of the way. Oh, some treaties. Some Treatos. You gonna try to open that? How about I get it for you? How about I get it for you? Okay. Yep, you knew that's what was in there. These smell good. They smell like peanut butter. Who wants one? Who wants one? Come on, Danny boy. Good girl. Take a finger off. Stu. Here. Did you want one of those? All right, Stu. We don't have time to watch these, I guess. Everyone's here. Penny! Are you ready? Oh. I was thinking you were going to do a catch. What's your point? More balls, girl. More balls. Leo's like, oh. Who else wants balls? I know you do. Hey, don't you destroy that donut yet. Nope. You. Cheez-Its. I have a feeling we have a lot of these. I have a feeling. You like your Cheez-Its, girl? You do too. All right, let's get them out. Stu doesn't care. Thank you. We love Cheez-Its. Oh, Penny. Coming in hot, girl. Come on. She doesn't trust it. Whoa, terrible throw. Good girl. Boop, boop. Ready, Sades? Yeah. We never have enough Cheez-Its around here. What's next, Penny? What's next? Let's see what we got. Oh my God. Oh boy. We got an SOJ. Girl. Another one. Oh. I'm not sure what this is. A unicorn. Say, we got a unicorn? Well, we gotta get that out. You'll take it under the bed and destroy it. Okay, hold on. Are you ready? For your new and improved, because I just threw it all down the way. Unicorn! Get it, Sades. No, don't chew it. Good girl, that's your unit. It's got a sweet too. I'm gonna get you some more treats. Oh, Stu wants an SLJ. Penny's leading with the balls. She's gonna probably rip them right out too. See, you didn't know, but you got Stu a gift too. Penny knows. Okay, Penny, help me out, girl. Help me out. What's in there? What is it? It's a freaking bed. Since Leo ate our last one, check it out. Looks just like the one you ate. You're not eating this one, big guy. You guys better start saying thank you. Yeah, there's no smells on it. Not the ones you're looking for anyways. What's in here? Bully sticks. Girl, I know that's your favorite. I know. These are a little big for you. We're gonna have to give you a smaller one. I think there's a small one in there. I know. You're all gonna want a piece of these. I'm the dog whisperer. All you need is bully sticks. Aw, what good babies. People are nice to you. They love you. Okay, we're gonna get another gift. Let's open up something else. Leo, okay, what's in here? What's in there? You know it. More bully sticks. Aren't we some lucky kids? Aren't we some lucky kids? Good job, Sids. You think I should open now? These are for you big guys. Guess what? It's another little unicorn. And it's a cute one. You gonna get it? Oh, you gonna get it? Okay. We're not gonna decapitate it though. It's not yet. I know, Sage. When the video's over, you'll get your pay. Cute girl. All right, what's next? What's next, Sasha girl? We're getting a mess going here. You gonna clean that up for me? What a sweet girl. What a sweet girl. All right, let's open this one, Leo. What do you think about that? Okay. There's more than one gift. It's another unicorn. You want that? Apparently, she just asked for bully sticks for you. You want that, buddy? You're gonna be all sweet about it. I'm gonna turn my back. You're just gonna kill it. What do you think, Sash? What does that sound like? What does that sound like? Let's see. Sasha, baby. This was just for you. I thought you should have some bling. And someone got it for you. Look it. She's like, just show me the bully stick. Aren't you adorable? You could use a brushing. But you are a little Tom girl. Look at you. What's next, guys? We got 2 left. 2 of them. Leo doesn't care. He's ready for a bully. Oh, it's another unicorn. It's another unicorn. We're gonna put this one into storage though. Let's see how long this one lasts first. Okay? Okay. Or I guess we'll play with it now. All right, what's in here? You'll never believe this, SADIE'S. What's in there? You know what it is. Cheez-It girl. You know what that is. More Cheez-Its. Oh, yeah. Now on the floor. What do you think? Good job. We're going to be stocked up on Cheez-Its for a couple days. Maybe a little longer. Maybe a little longer, pretty girl. What's this? Did you get another dog bed? We got 2 new dog beds? Sweet. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Stu is thoroughly impressed. You garden of Cheez-Its? Cheez-It dog. Good, Penny. That's what you put your chewing to. That's what you put that chewing to. Leo, I think you're happy with the bed. Do not eat this one, big guy. She's like, I want a bully stick. What about your sweet gold chain? You'll get a bully stick as soon as this video's over. Young lady. The werewolf. We gotta get your other new bed together. Okay? Leo's refusing to get off the bed. So I think he's a happy camper. She's not willing to leave the Cheez-Its yet. And she is just trying to deal. She's our little coper. You're still waiting for food? I know you missed your old bed, and it's back now. But guess what? They got you. Well, they got everybody another bed. Do you want to check that out? Come over here. Check that out. Lay down. That's a sit, but whatever. Lay down. Lay down in your new bed. You can try that out too. Well, lucky puppers. And a cat. You're a good sport. You gonna hop back over into the other one? Oh, good girl. You gotta tell everybody thank you. Yeah. I know you're missing your perimeter check. We'll get to it in a minute. Besides, she's not done going to town. Are you done with that yet, Penny? Out with the old, in with the new. Sadie approved. That's not a unicorn, just so you know. That's a unicorn, that's not. I know. I'm the stupid dad, not you. Pretty good. I have everybody's attention now. All right, guys, you fans, I want you to have a bully stick. Leo, good boy. Penny, good girl. You have fun chewing that. Sadie girl. See you later. Enjoy, girl. I think they're saying thank you. Everybody hooked you guys up, didn't they? Look, we even have a box for Stu to play in. Did you want to take your new toys outside? Are you guys ready? Jenny, you look ready for your new SOJs? Whoa! Ready? Go get him! Choose your color. Oh, the squeak is back. The squeak is back. Yes, it's in stereo. I think you guys are pretty happy. Good job. Drop. Go get him again. Double the trouble and double the squeak. You guys switched colors. You can't play tug with these yet, otherwise they won't squeak. We can't do that yet. We can't do that yet. Good job. You want to do it again? Squeaky, 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 squeaky. Hey, hold on, girl. Let's see if you pick the same colors again, okay? Ready? Go get him. Oh, Sadie's choosing. Oh, no, you chose. All right, you switched. You switched. I know you're going to have a favorite. I know you're going to have a favorite. Watch out. You're trying to take me home. Good job. Did you want to get Leo with these? Yeah? Okay, let's beat Leo up. Happy girls with new SOJs. You know, if this is Star Wars, you chose the wrong side, young lady. Yeah. Yeah, you're not supposed to pick red. Really? Glad to have your squeak voice back. Now Penny can talk too. Good job, boy. Oh, I'm gonna get taken out. Get him, Sades. Get him, Penny. Good. Wow, he's getting fast. He's going to sleep for a while. Here comes Penny in the rear. Good babies. Go, Leo, go. Go, Leo. Oh. Your battery's about to drain, buddy. Good job, Leo boy. Get him, Penny, get him. Get him, Penny, get him. I think they like their new SOJs. Whoa. I think I'm gonna lose my legs. New house wolves. Crazy house wolves, huh, Penny? Good job, Pen. I think we got enough of that. I think we got enough of this, huh? You ready? Okay, go get it. Good job. Good job, Penny girl. Oh, Leo's going inside. He's done. Are you going inside? Did you get that, boy? What's that kitty doing right there? Tell everyone thank you, Stu. You got a box for now. Every cat deserves a box. Oh, Leo's got your new unicorn. Oh, you all right, buddy? Jeez. Or should I check on the ottoman? Get down. I might want to move for this one. Leo, you gotta start controlling that body weight. Get her, Leo. Get him, Sades. There. I'll help you out. All right, I think this is over.